Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix TikTok follower not showing on TikTok app. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your Play Store and after that search for this TikTok app and type on this, and from here you make sure that update your TikTok app. I am already updated. After that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen, and after that open your setting and scroll down and tap on apps and tap on apps management. From here and search for this TikTok app and tap on this and tap on storage usage and tap on clear cache and tap on clear data. After that, go back your home screen and type on TikTok app long press and tap on uninstall, and after that you have again install your TikTok app and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then open your TikTok app, profile icon, and type on this three line and type on setting and privacy, and after that scroll down and type on report a problem, and from here scroll down and type on follow, like and comments. Type on this, and after that type on this follow icon and type on others and type on no and type on need more help. After that tap your problem. Hello TikTok team, profile view option is not showing up on my TikTok account, so please enable this option in my TikTok account, and tap on this and type on username, tap on correct username active and tap on active your Gmail and tap on active your phone number. After that type on submit. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.